Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see upper and lower bound correct up till nearest significant figure for year 9 students. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, please let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Upper and lower bound. Examples of significant figures SF are given as follows. 5408, 5408. It is correct up till 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. 70.03. This is correct up till 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. 690,000. This is correct up till 2 significant figures. 1, 2. Rest all are zeros. We are not considering zeros right now. So 1, 2, this number is correct up till 2 significant figures. 7.00, this is correct up till 3 significant figures. In this we are considering the zeros because zeros are after the decimal. So this number is correct up till 3 significant figures. 0.00900, this number is correct up till 3 significant figures as we are not considering the zeros before 9. We are considering the zeros after 9. So 1, 2, 3. This number is correct up till 3 significant figures. 0.003. This number is correct up till 1 significant figures. As I told you earlier, the zeros before the number we are not considering. So this number is correct up till only 1 significant figures. Let's write down the upper and lower bound correct up till nearest significant figures. Let's see few examples here. Write down the upper and lower bounds for each of these values. The first question is 6 centimeter. This is correct up till 1 significant figure. Is this number correct up till 1 significant figure? Yes, right? This number is correct up till 1 significant figure. We will write down the place value of this number. Place value is 1. Let's divide 1 by 2. My answer is 0.5. I need to subtract 0.5 from 6 and I need to add 0.5 in 6 to get the lower and upper bound. Let's do it here. 6 minus 0.5. My answer will be 5.5. Upper bound will be 6 plus 0.5, which is 6.5. So the lower bound for 6 is 5.5 and it is less than 6.5. This is your answer for lower and upper bound. Let's see the next example here. 300 grams correct up till 1 significant figures. This number is correct up till 1 significant figure still here. We will write down the place value of this number. Place value of this number is 100. Let's write down here 100 by 2. My answer is 50. I'll write down the lower and upper bound. Lower bound will be written as 300 minus 50, which will be given as 250. Upper bound will be 300 plus 50, which is equals to 350. The lower and upper bound of 300 will be written as 250 less than 350. This is your answer for lower and upper bound. Let's see next example here. 30 centimeter correct up till 1 significant figure. This number 30 here, it's correct up till 1 significant figure. Write down the place value of this one. What is the place value of this value? 10, right? Because after that there is 1 digit. So the place value of this one is the 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's subtract 30 minus 5, which is going to give you 25 as a lower bound. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35, which is your upper bound. So the lower bound of 30 is 25 is less than 35. This is your upper and lower bound. Let's see the next example here. 0.7 correct up till 1 significant figure. This number correct up till 1 significant figure is still 7. This is the correct significant figure, 1 significant figure. What is the place value of this one? The place value of this one is 0.1. Let's write down here 0.1. That should be divided by 2. If you divide 0.1 by 2, my answer will be 0.05. I need to add and subtract 0.7 minus of 0.05, which will be equal to 0.65, is your lower bound. 0.7 plus 0.05, that is equals to 0.75. This will be your upper bound. So the lower bound and upper bound for 0.7 is 0.65 less than 0.75. This is your upper and lower bound. Let's see the next example here. 0.06 correct up till one significant figure. This number correct up till one significant figure is still here, 6. We are not considering the 0 before that. So the place value of this one is 0.01. Let's write down here the place value as 0.01 divided by 2. This will be written as 0.005. This is your division. I need to subtract and add my answer. 0.06 minus of 0.005. The value will be written as 0.055. This is your answer if you subtract it. 0.06 plus 0.005, which will be given as 0.065. So the lower and upper bound for 0.06 is greater than or equal to 0.055, less than 0.065. This is your upper and lower bound. Let's see the next example here. 238 kilometers correct up till 3 significant figures. This number is correct up till 3 significant figures till here, till 8. What is the place value of 8? Place value of 8 is 1. Let's write down here 1 by 2, which is equals to 0.5. I need to add and subtract it. 238 minus of 0.5 will be written as 237.5. 238 plus 0.5 will be written as 238.5. So the upper and lower bound for 238 will be written as 237.5 less than 238.5. This is your answer for lower and upper bound. Let's see the next example here. 4. 2 significant figures. I need to correct up till 2 significant figures. Is the number 4 is correct up till 2 significant figures? No, right? I have to write down this answer correct up till 2 significant figures. Let's write down the number 4 as 4.0. Now this number is correct up till 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures will finish here. What is the place value of this 0? The place value of this 0 is 0.1, right? Let's write down here 0.1 divided by 2. I need to divide it by 2. My answer will be 0.05. I need to add and subtract my answer. The lower and upper bound, let's write down the lower bound here. 4.0 minus 0.05, which will be written as 3.95. That is your lower bound. Upper bound will be 4.0 plus 0.05, which will be written as 4.05. This is your upper bound. So the lower and upper bound for 4 is written as 3.95 less than 4.05. Let's see the next example here. 210 correct up till 2 significant figures. So the number up till 2 significant figures is correct up till 1 here. This is the 2 significant figures. What is the place value of this 1? Place value of this 1 is 10. Let's write down here 10 by 2, which is equals to 5. I need to subtract and add my answer. 210 minus 5 will be written as 205. 210 plus 5 will be written as 215. So the upper and lower bound for 210 will be written as 205 less than 215. That is your upper and lower bound. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.